Modern passenger aircraft, like the Airbus A320, A321neo, and the latest Boeing models, typically have only two engines. But why is this the case? Firstly, two engines are more fuel efficient. They consume less fuel compared to older three- or four-engine aircraft like the DC-10 or Boeing 747. This means lower operational costs and a smaller carbon footprint. For example, the Pratt & Whitney PW1000G engines used in the A320neo series offer a 16% fuel efficiency improvement over previous models. Secondly, advancements in engine technology have made twin-engine planes incredibly reliable and powerful. Engines like the General Electric GE9X, used in the Boeing 777X, can produce over 100,000 pounds of thrust, allowing these planes to safely complete long-haul flights even if one engine fails. This reliability is enhanced by ETOPS, Extended Range Twin-Engine Operational Performance Standards, certifications, which allow twin-engine aircraft to fly routes previously restricted to three- or four-engine planes. Moreover, maintenance is simpler and cheaper with two engines. Fewer engines mean fewer components that require regular checks and repairs, reducing downtime and costs. The cost of maintaining a single engine like the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB, used in the Airbus A350, is significantly lower compared to maintaining multiple engines on older aircraft. Additionally, two-engine planes meet stringent safety regulations. Modern engines undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can withstand extreme conditions, and redundant systems are in place to handle emergencies. This high level of safety performance makes them a preferred choice for airlines worldwide. In summary, modern twin-engine aircraft are efficient, reliable, and cost-effective, which is why they dominate the skies today. Their advanced technology and reduced operational costs make them an optimal choice for both airlines and passengers.